Measure where we're going to be cutting the factory muffler off. So what we're doing is we're holding a tape right to the forward edge, the front edge, facing the front of the vehicle. And we're measuring 14 inches, which is going to put it real close to the tangent of this bend, which is what we're trying to get to. And repeat the same thing for the driver's side. Okay, to remove the muffler, it's going to be held on with an isolator on each side. To assist in taking it off, spray a little lube on it. It can be oil, it can be WD-40, BB blaster, what have you. And then we're going to slide the isolator off of the hanger, and that's going to allow us to drop the muffler. Take a file. We're going to file any rough edge that might be left on the stock system. Then we're ready to install the MRT. Okay, so to position the clamp in the correct position, we want the band of the clamp to overlap where the notch is. And to ensure that we get a good pinch, I don't want the clamp on this side of the joint. I want the clamp to extend over slightly this way, and that'll allow for a good pinch of this metal onto this metal.